I have to show y'all how important credit card utilization is. Okay, if you see right here, March the 25th, 2020, 32 points were taken away. Credit One flagged it, several other banks flagged it, and the score decreased to basically a total of 35 points, right? Okay, so give me just a second. I'm going to show you something else. I did a little fussing. He agreed to just let me go ahead and do whatever I needed to do to get the score back up. The usage decreased significantly, 65 to 65%. That's 29 points. Then 12 points was added. I today I went in and I added Experian Boost to bring it back up. Experian Boost gave 24 points, which more likely I think Boost probably only gave um, 20 points because the credit card this month gave it a couple of points too. So if you put it all together, 24, 12, 36, 65 points, his score went up in 1 month, basically 30 days, by doing the right thing. It's all in the math and it's all about the strategy, people. This is why I always fuss at y'all about credit card utilization.